In tonight's Healthier Me, virtual reality can transport our minds to incredible digital worlds. Now researchers are using the technology to help patients escape their pain during difficult procedures. Reporter Chris Martinez shows us how it works.
Kevin Walsh is finding relief from his pain, immersing his mind in a 360-degree world of snow and ice. His back was severely burned in a small explosion at work.
There was one time when I did it during wound care, when they have to peel off my bandages while I'm there. And they peeled off a couple bandages and I didn't even really notice.
Kevin is one of a number of patients at Harborview Medical Center in Seattle using virtual reality to help manage pain.
It's a means to pull people's attention away from very painful procedures.
Dr. David Patterson has helped pioneer the technique. He says virtual reality distracts the brain, so there's less focus on the pain.
The areas of the brain that light up with pain light up less, and they're just not processing as much.
Patterson uses a game called Snow World. Using VR goggles, patients hit targets with snowballs, taking their minds off their procedures.
Overall, we're seeing, 35% reductions in pain is pretty typical, where you see somebody's pain drop from severe to moderate.
For patients like Kevin, any relief from the pain can help on the road to recovery. Chris Martinez, CBS News, Seattle.
Researchers believe the technique can be used for other patients like dental procedures and childbirth. Doctors also using virtual reality to help hypnotize patients before procedures to help reduce anxiety levels. Federal guidelines now limit the prescription of opioids, but Medicare places few restrictions on coverage. Yale University researchers looked at Medicare prescription plans from 2015. 1/3 of opioid medications had no prescribing restrictions like prior authorization or step therapy. Only 13% of covered prescriptions had dosage limits recommended by the Centers for Disease Control. There was also an increase in the number of opioids covered between 2006 and 2015. Big test for the Bison this weekend. Find out how the Crew plans to tackle Youngstown State later in sports. If your son or daughter is in need of financial aid to go to college, well, make sure they're filling out the forms. Up next, which ones?